Well, welcome to a chilly Southampton. I'm not here for fun. There's no snow though, which is good, isn't it? That's a car carrying ship just leaving Southampton. Behind that is the Queen Elizabeth, the new one from Cunard. The reason I'm standing here in the freezing cold is because for the first time Queen Elizabeth is going to be meeting her sister, the Queen Victoria. Now, Elizabeth, she's loading up passengers to go on a cruise. Victoria, she's actually going off to dry dock. She's going to be off for 2 weeks. They're going to be doing a few things to her, including wiping her bottom. Basically, they get all the barnacles and stuff off the bottom, which means that she'll go through the water quicker, and of course that saves fuel. Anyway, while they're I've just been told they're singling up the lines on that one and getting her ready to go. I'm going to go back in the car because it's freezing, so let's see if they give each other a good old whistle as they pass each other by.